What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ian. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. It really does mean a lot, that you all should be showing me your support. So please continue to support. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you hit the thumbs up button for this video. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that the next time I upload you'll be notified. Making YouTube videos is really fun for me, right? But I would say the most difficult thing about it is making sure that I have something good to post, on my upload day. And I don't know, I'm in this creative rut. Usually I have this book where I have all these different ideas written down, and I even have a list on my phone, and it's just crazy to me. I don't know, I just really feel like I could not come up with anything good to post. But on top of that, the film room that I usually use to record all my videos is an absolute mess. In order for me to really be able to think clearly, I feel like I need to be able to clean up this room first before anything positive comes from it. It was trending on YouTube not too long ago. I don't really know when I saw it, honestly. Cleaning with me was a thing that people were doing, and they pretty much just set the camera up and cleaned up. I cleaned up most of my apartment already this morning. In all honesty, I really do think that me being able to clean out this room and being able to have a clear space to work in is something that's very important. Always making sure all your things are in order and organized is really something that'll allow you to have better outlook on the things that you have to get done. So without further ado, come clean with me.
Spin it, made it the coupe, mama no kill it, jump out the top, hit it the limits, I got some cash, I wanna split, nigga every tag, didn't wanna rent it, too many bags, too many bitches, roll my slime, get in my liver, ready to slide, you need to sleep. Hey, you ain't got ties, you ain't gon' ride, you ain't my slime, you ain't gonna come on my pine. Hey, so I think I ain't telling you lies, so you come to business on hell in mine, yeah, I'm keep fake out of my time. Hey, things like Gucci my fans. She's up with no hands. Put this rest of my face. Switch my lane. Girl got fans. Yeah, another pan of red. Drink to the head. Got two cell phones. Yeah, I'm sipping these meds. Two-tone present rolling. Yeah, this drip you can't catch. Some say do what I say. People ain't choke my name. Why I say who these kids? One of Mrs. BGS. Out of my wrist, counting and spin it. Mad at the coupe. Mama no kill it. Chop out the top. Hit it in it. I got some cash, I wanna split it. New baby tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fairies, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my liver, ready to slide, you was just slip. Hey, you ain't got ties, you ain't gon' ride. You ain't my slime, you ain't gonna go on my prime. Hey, so I think I ain't telling you lies. So you come to business on hell in mine. Yeah, I'm keep fake out of my time. Paddocks on paddocks, oh, okay. Head up for checking, I'm checking the baddest. Come back to cool, we don't need me no daddy. If you ever need like my daddy. I got some BBS's on my neck and my ears, they real tall. I just straight down and I run out the money, I got me a heel now. They say like, give me a slime. I say that every time. I got some rickety records, running through clips like backpacks. Number one this year, right on that beat, I'm in 6th gear. I'm on the joint, got no fear. So on my door and it's raining. Wash away all the evidence. I got some chains and they team it. Ride a rave like it's raining. Watch your bitch, you the vintage. Got the bando relentless. I triple double with the meat, yeah. Put a Draco in my trench, yeah. I rock over for the lean, yeah. I triple double the year, yeah. I put a coupe on my bill, yeah. My business, they should hold me up. I did it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's cleaning with me. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know this something was very different from what I usually do. I don't know how many more of these I'll make. If you ever want to see me clean another part of the house, definitely I can do that as well. I do think that I feel like I'm going to be able to create more content in here. I feel like I'm able to have a clear set of mind and a fresh plate, moving towards this next month of videos that I have planned. I'm really excited to start recording more and getting some more done. Over the last couple of weeks, this room has really gone downhill, and I really wanted to keep up with that New Year's resolution I had of staying organized. I have been working a whole lot lately. I'll come home, I'll just take off whatever jacket I have and I'll just throw it on the couch, or just take my shoes off, leave them in the hallway or stuff like that. But they always end up back in this room, just not where they go. And I feel like if you just clean up or put back what you take out that day, it makes cleaning up at the end of the week a lot easier. But thanks again for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down in the comments down below. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll definitely see you all in the next one.